full yogic breath. Sometimes people also call it ocean breath. Here we breathe deeper and longer. So you start from your belly. You feel breath in your chest expands. You feel breath almost in your throat, and then you slowly breathe out with control. Because you are breathing out with control, your throat sometimes constricts a little bit, and it makes a sound like the air in the ocean. So it's also called ocean breath. Please look one time. I will breathe. Let's try together. And we will breathe in for 4 counts, and we will take 6 counts to breathe out. Breathing out is slightly longer. And breathe in. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And relax. Good.